Today I'm at Burlington. Let's quickly see what they have here. Okay, here we are likely to see four deals. That wow, saving is always on trend here. Okay, this is it. This one was $78. Today you get for $27.99. And look at this bag. I love the structure. This one is $24.99. And here we have this big bag for $29.99. Down here is another bag for $24.99. And here we have this one for $29.99. Good, good, good. This small clutch crossbody bag for $22.99. Up here we have more bags for $29.99. I love the structure. Honestly, my West, they are not playing. This one is $34.99. I love this. This looks good. Okay, let's see. Look at these by that. Oh, the quality is everything. Who made this bag? Who made this bag? I need to see. This one is 1999. The Prana West. This one. And this one is okay. Okay. Lots of event purses, clutches. Look at that. Lots of clutch handbags. Different size. This is nicely beaded for $24.99. Right. And this one is 1999. Very good. And this is 22.99. Look at this one for 22.99. Here you go. Yeah, different types. Nicely beaded. Look at this. This is 24.99. Very good. Yeah, different types of clutch handbags. And they have wallet as well, double zip. For this one is $5.99. It's nicely made. This is by Steve Madden for $14.99. Ah, look at this bag. Oh, good wrist bag for $14.99 by Steve Madden. We have lots of, yeah, lots of Halloween. Yeah, Halloween is around the corner. We see quite a lot now in the store. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, there are quite a lot to choose from. Okay, this is oversized table runner for $19.99. Good, good, good. Different types. This one is, yeah, good throne for $12.99. This looks good. Yeah, these are $9.99. This all this you're seeing, they are $9.99 and under. You can beat that. Okay. Look, look, look. Yeah, four deals. That wow. Yeah. So good. Look at that. $12.99. Okay. So let's go to the other side and look at this one. Yeah. Good, good oversized throw for $9.99. You can never go wrong. Let me take you to clothing sections. Yeah, let's see what they have here. Okay. Look at this. We have this cool bread turtleneck sweater. I love the fact that it's not that thick. This one is $8.99. Okay, and yeah, This is 12.99. Very simple. I'm on a hunt for a good two-piece, flowy two-piece set. I'll see. Okay, here we have this high-rise denim. Then this is cuffed. Yeah, we are all about this year. Cuffed jeans. Then this very good for 24.99. It's good. Okay, more light sweater, turtleneck sweaters. Yeah, look at that. I love the color. They have this in different sizes for this one is 8.99. Okay. Yeah. Alright, here we have t-shirts, simple tees. This is 14.99. This caught my attention. We are all about animal print. This print is given and it's nicely cropped. 12.99 in size large. The quality is so good. It feels so heavy. Okay. And here we have this light one. I'm loving this. The color is good for 9.99. Okay. Look at this one for this one is 8.99. Good, good. And here we have this nicely cropped sweater by CK. And this one is 19.99. Good throne. Yeah, for 12.99. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, yeah. Interesting coats. This is in size small. Black and white. You can never go wrong. This is nicely made for 34.99. Okay, let's check out this. This is new in the store. It feels so thick as well for 24.99. Good, good, good. No, sorry, 27.99. The quality is good with hoodie. Oh, so good. Okay, and here we have this black and white light turtleneck sweater by CK. This is 19.99. Good, good in size large, and we have this nicely cropped one. Ooh, the quality is so good. This is so fresh. Okay, this is in size large of 21.99. The quality is giving quality. Here we have this light sweater for 8.99. Good, 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 good. Okay, let's see. Another light sweater. Hmm, very good. I love this color. For this one is 8.99. Okay, let's check out what they have here. Okay, I'm looking at this store jacket, jean jacket. Look at that. Nicely covered. So good. This is 19.99. They have it in different sizes. Very good. And also we have this leather crop jacket. Of course, we are doing all leather this year. Okay, this season actually for 16.99. Very good. Okay, and here is another olive green jacket with two different pockets and two deep side pockets, which are functional for 14.99. All right, I'll end this video here. If you like my type of video, please consider subscribing, share. Okay, by sharing my video, liking my video. you are letting YouTube know that you like my type of video. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye for now.